everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are having an amazing day. Today I'm going to show you a gel polish starter kit from AIMEILI.com. I'll put the link of the set in the description box. You can purchase this beautiful set from Amazon. If you are a beginner and looking for a good quality and affordable gel polish starter kit, then this set will be great for you. AIMEILI is a well-known brand of gel products. Since the brand was established in 2012, the gel nail polish has won a lot of fans around the world for the good quality. You can find and buy their products on their website AIMEILI.com or Amazon and eBay. They have other gel polishes also. You can check their website AIMEILI.com to see their collection. First thing in the box, you'll get 4 gel polishes. Each have 10 ml of gel polish inside. First two is Snow White top coat and base coat, and other two is Beautiful Nude and Beautiful Lilac Purple. As you can see, the formula of the polish is not really thick, which is great to apply. Here is some other products of the set. First one is a 15 ml peel off latex tape, which you have to apply on the cuticle area to do a clean manicure. Then you will get a rose flavored cuticle oil. It will help to moisturize your cuticle area. Then you will get a very useful cuticle nipper and a cuticle cutter. It's a cuticle pusher. And then a brush to dust off the excess. Here is some other items of the set. Then you will get a toenail separator and a sanding file and a buffer block. Then you will get a UV LED lamp, which you have to connect with USB cable. To dry your gel polish, you have to cure your nails under the UV lamp for 30 to 60 seconds. Here you have to insert the USB cable, and here is the power button. You will get a user manual for the UV lamp to know how to use it. Then you will get 20 pieces of UV gel polish remover. Last but not the least, you will get a travel bag which has big compartments, and you can store this set in this bag. This set retails for only $31.99, which I think quite affordable for beginners. Please check the description box below for the links of this product. I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Bye.